May I remind you that trading is risky and not suitable for everyone. Your past performance, good or bad, is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please stay small, stay humble, focus on the long term, and never risk money you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to QuantBox Daily. Today is February 2nd. Hello, my babies. First of all, what is QuantBox? Well, for those of you who've tuned into this channel ever since it started, you'll know that QuantBox is your global macroeconomic quant in a box. A fundamental tool that gives you a fundamental bias, which you can then match with technicals to give you an edge in the market. Well, I'll show you some of the tools that we use now. But in the meantime, 1 week trial is just $7.90. So what you want to do when you got QuantBox is you want to jump over a market heat map, have a look at which currencies are up, which currencies are down, and then look for trading opportunities. So let's take a look. Kiwi CAD. Okay, Kiwi CAD bullish. So look, Kiwi CAD over here. Kiwi CAD bias is currently buy. Okay, we got Kiwi CAD all the way up, and Kiwi CAD bias is bullish. All right, cool. Let's take a look. So Kiwi CAD all the way down here on the daily. Okay, currently stuck inside a range. You can see that earlier this week we broke out of a range. We came down to this support over here. Okay, now we're stuck inside a higher range. Okay, so it's higher low. So this was day before yesterday. Cool. You can see profit taking zone. Now this came down yesterday. Let's have a look and see here. Okay. So yesterday we had price at a profit taking zone. So if you iron this out yesterday, you would have got a signal on QuantBox on the 31st at Asia. Now, we only did the London session here, right? So I'm not covering every single market open, but if you were using the strategy that I provide to you, which is the market heat map, you would have seen price coming down before the Asia market open. You would have seen strong bearishness on Kiwi CAD. You would have looked at your bias, which would be a buy. You would have seen price at a profit taking zone, and you would have taken this trade up. Okay, unfortunately, right now, we can't do anything with it because we're all the way up here. Can we sell? I'm not going to sell. Price has come down, hit support. This looks bullish to me. This looks like a trade that could have been taken a few days ago, okay, at the Asia market open. Okay, so right now price is up here. I mean, do you sell at a weekly M3 because this is up at a resistance level? You could, but my caution to you is that price is now broken back inside this range, and the bias is bullish fundamentally. So what you would be looking for is you'd be looking for a pullback down to support and then a move up to higher target. Okay. But right now, you're not going to be doing anything. You can't buy this right now. Remember, we've got a bullish bias on this. You can't buy right now. You're currently at a weekly M3. The buy was earlier this week. And it's the exact same strategy that I use on QuantBox. If you use that strategy, you would have been in down here, and you'd be happy right now. Let's take a look at the next one. Okay, so Kiwi dollar. Kiwi dollar coming through neutral. Let's take a look at Kiwi dollar. Okay, so on the daily, price coming down to this 21 EMA over here. Okay, that's cool. Had this range, you would have been at bottom of the range earlier this week. If you bought bottom of the range, you're all the way up. Okay. And I still think we didn't look at this one yesterday. On any one of these days, you see here, you would have got price coming down to support. We've had price being bearish on QuantBox, profit taking zone. Price bearish on QuantBox, profit taking zone. Price bearish on QuantBox, profit taking zone. So on any one of those days, unfortunately, none of those were Asia, none of those were London. But if you use the strategy that I use every single day, you could have been in a trade down here at the profit taking zone all the way up. Right now, neutral. Your plan at the moment is with price breaking out of the range. Can price pull back to the top of the range? Can you take this higher up? Okay. And you can see they're currently bullish on the daily. So you're looking for a higher low on this. Higher low and then take it up higher. Okay. Groovy. Let's have a look and see. Okay. Kiwi Swissy. Kiwi Swissy coming through the buy. On the daily, let's have a look and see. Sure. Okay. currently sideways. You got this sort of support left-hand side. Profit-taking zone earlier this week. Okay. So again, if you're using QuantBox, you would have seen price coming down on the 31st at Asia. So if you were lining this up at Asia, you would have been taking it off a profit-taking zone, taking this higher up. Right now, you can't buy it. Currently, price is currently up. You're waiting for a higher low. Okay. So again, like I've said before, the strategy I'm currently employing, if you're doing this every single day before market open, then there's lots of opportunities that you're getting. I only do the London session because that's what I'm doing. But I've said to you often, do this before every market open and you're going to be a champion. Pound Kiwi currently down. Pound Kiwi bias is currently a strong sell. So Pound Kiwi, okay, we're currently stuck in a range over here. Leave that alone. Pound Kiwi, Euro Kiwi. Euro Kiwi coming through with a strong sell. So Euro Kiwi. Okay, Euro Kiwi currently in this range over here, still stuck in this range. Not continuing with that. To break out. Okay, Euro Kiwi, Aussie Kiwi, it's an Aussie Kiwi. Aussie Kiwi is currently a sell. Okay, cool. Aussie Kiwi. Okay, cool. Aussie Kiwi currently sitting at a monthly M3. Okay, this is cool. And you can see we come down. So what you're looking for in Aussie Kiwi is you're looking for a pullback. You're looking for a pullback sell. Okay. So you've got a couple of levels of resistance here. Now, of course, price come down to the bottom of the range over here, but you could line that up. You could line this up. Okay. Or what you could do, you see you're really out of position on H1. Daily pivot points aren't looking great. You don't want to sell over here. You're looking for a pullback up here, which coincides with that weekly M3, monthly M3. That's what you'd really be looking for a pullback to. Okay. You can link this up with that. Okay, pullback sell. Now you can see we've also got the yen pairs here. So what I recommend you do is jump into your bias over here. Look at your dollar yen, look at your CAD yen, look at your dollar Swissy, look at your pound yen, look at the biases under the yen pairs. Go to your charts, identify those in terms of technicals, and do the exact same thing I've done here. Okay. And then see if there are any opportunities. But do this at every market open. All right. The purpose of this session isn't to provide trade signals, these videos, is to show you how you can use QuantBox to add an edge to your trading. All right. So now you can see here, these pairs are down. Jump into your second tab, grab your yen pair biases under yen currency pairs, and then go into the charts and identify opportunities. Remember, position, look for roll reversals. Okay. And the idea is that if these are down and they've got a bias of bullish, then are they at support? If these are down, you've got a bias of bearish, then you need to wait for them to pull back to resistance. Okay, cool. But do this at every single market open. You can see how there'd be several opportunities that you would have taken advantage of in the days leading up to today if you just use this simple strategy with QuantBox. Okay, cool. So I wish you luck. Stay disciplined, stay patient, stay liquid. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers.